How to create Reddit account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, remember to download and install Reddit app on your device from either Play Store or App Store. And once it has been downloaded and installed, navigate to open button to access Reddit. You will land on this login page. Ready to create account? Tap sign up at bottom right corner of your screen. Now here are different ways to sign up. You can sign up for Reddit with Google or even email. So let's choose one of them. Now you need to process to create your username. You can use the username given here or you can easily create one by deleting this and creating your own. And tap the continue button. Now you need to enter your identity or even tap escape at top right corner. Now you need to select the interest and then tap on the continue button at bottom right. Here you can select your first avatar or you can even tap the skip at top right. Now you are on the homepage of Reddit. That means we have successfully created account on Reddit. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.